So, let's do a mini grocery haul. Sorry, medyo bumubulong ako kasi tulog pa yung mga kasama ko. Pero, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is worth 1,000 pesos of grocery na. So, first is, bumili ako ng banana for my breakfast. Kasi every breakfast ko nag-oatmeal ako. So, I need this. Kakulay ko siya. Then, next is crispy fry. Kasi, magluluto ako ng chicken. Speaking of chicken, yeah. Bili na ako ng 1 kilo ng boneless chicken breast. Then, Yakult. I'm a Yakult kid. And, yogurt. Yogurt, strawberries, and berry mix. Next, tapos na tayo sa first bag. Next is 4 pieces of tissue. Sponge, panglinis ng mga dishes. And, of course, Joy. And this one, garbage bag. Then, dumaan din ako sa harap namin and bumili ako ng 5 pieces na itlog. This one is for 9 pesos na. Ganito lang kaliit. So, yun, a total of 1,000 pesos. That's it.
Simula high school. You'll get diabetes.
Laundry's here.
Velocity kasi is power. So remember yun guys, power available exponents. The equation describes the relationship between force, acceleration, and mass.
Let's unbox. Let's unwrap. Hi, Jill. Let's unwrap this. I bought this kasi kahit nasa bed, nakapag-review pa din. Or para diretso tulog na. So, kaya ba ng scissors? Wait, sirain ko na lang. It's big. Yun lang. Watch me cook my lunch for today. And we're cooking chicken fillet. Ay, tumutulo. So yun, may chicken breast, egg, and crispy fry. Then, chopping board and knife. Wait, hugasan ko muna. Then next step is to remove the skin. Then cut. Usually kinakat ko siya ng ganitong size. Then next is i-dip sa egg. Then sa crispy fry. So yun, kakamain ko na lang. Sorry, medyo dugit. Para mabilis. The worst part. Let's fry. Let's eat.